parents, we know how tough it is to battle through those sleepless nights and worrisome moments when your little one starts coughing and struggling to breathe due to croup. That's why we've created this educational video to empower you with the strategies you need to confidently navigate through croup episodes and provide the best care for your child. Imagine being able to soothe your child's croup symptoms, ease their discomfort, and make those stressful nights a thing of the past, all while minimizing the use of medications. In this video, we'll share valuable insight, expert tips, and natural remedies that can help your child better navigate a bout of croup, and even more importantly, prevent plus avoid them altogether in the future. Please share this video with anyone who you know needs to hear this. Friends, family, and Facebook groups. This video is for parents of young children, especially those under 5, who want to understand croup, its causes, symptoms, and when to seek help. If you've ever been jolted awake by your child's barking cough, this information is for you. We'll dive deep into what croup is, the different types, and the telltale signs to watch for. You'll learn about the perfect storm of factors that can increase your child's risk and discover practical tips for managing croup at home. Plus, we'll discuss when it's time to seek emergency care and how pediatric chiropractic can help address the root causes of respiratory illness. Did you know that croup is most common in children between 6 months and 3 years old? It accounts for 7% of hospitalizations in children younger than 5 years of age in the United States annually. While it's usually not serious, croup can be incredibly distressing for both children and parents. That distinctive cough, often worse at night, can make it seem like your child is struggling for each breath. It's a sound that can make any parent feel helpless. Let's talk about the basics. What is croup? Croup is an infection of the upper airway that primarily affects young children, especially those between 6 months to 3 years old. Some distinct symptoms include barking cough, hoarse voice, and labored breathing, which tend to worsen at night. Let's go over diagnosing and treating croup medically. The diagnosis is a straightforward process that entails medical professionals observing breathing, listening with a stethoscope, and may use diagnostic tools like neck or chest x-ray and pulse oximetry to check oxygen levels. Traditionally, croup is treated with corticosteroids that override the body's natural mechanisms and reduce inflammation and swelling in the larynx and respiratory system. Medications such as these can be life-saving, but can also come with some short-term and long-term side effects. Let's go into some causes of croup. Some common misconceptions about the causes of croup include belief that it's solely due to exposure to the germs versus the body's inability to properly deal with them. Some factors that may weaken a child's immune system and leave them more susceptible to croup include birth trauma, feeding difficulties, and sleep challenges. As chiropractors, we work to balance the nervous system by removing subluxations, which helps boost immune function. Some home care strategies for croup include keeping the child calm and comforted, hydrated, the use of humidifiers, and alternating between warm and cold air to ease symptoms. Now let's talk about chiropractic care in croup. Chiropractic care does not aim to treat or cure croup, but rather than support the body's natural defenses and improve the function of the neuroimmune system. Some benefits of chiropractic care are improvements in drainage, better sleep, shorter illness duration, and reduced medication use. While conventional medical care plays a vital role in managing severe illness, at Capital District Family Chiropractic, we believe that addressing the underlying nervous system dysfunction is key to building long-term resilience and vitality. Pediatric chiropractic care identifies and addresses subluxation and nervous system dysfunction through specific adjustments. By restoring nervous system function, chiropractic can help reduce inflammation, enhance respiratory function, improve sleep, digestion, and overall resilience. Many parents report that regular chiropractic care helps their children recover more quickly from illnesses like croup and build stronger immune systems for the future, so they are less likely to struggle with croup or respiratory infections in the first place. If you have any questions, you can comment down below or send us a DM. You can give our office a call at 518-599-0067, or you can contact us at cdfchiro.com. Our team is here to help.